Want naturally glowing, wrinkle-free skin? You don't need expensive skincare products. Moringa leaves are your secret weapon. Packed with powerful nutrients, Moringa can erase wrinkles, lighten scars, and rejuvenate dull skin naturally. In today's video, I'll show you how to prepare and apply an easy, all-natural Moringa face pack that will leave your skin smooth, youthful, and radiant. Welcome to Dad's Daily 101. Your go-to destination for health tips, beauty secrets, and better living hacks that make life easier and healthier. Did you know? Moringa leaves contain more medicinal properties than drumsticks. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidants, and essential minerals, all of which fight aging, boost collagen, and remove dark spots. Regular use of Moringa can reduce wrinkles and fine lines, fade acne scars and dark spots, tighten skin and restore its glow, deep clean pores and hydrate dry skin. And the best part? It's 100% natural and super easy to use. Now, let's make this powerful anti-aging face pack. Here's what you need. 6 cups of fresh Moringa leaves or 1 tablespoon of Moringa powder. Milk or curd for extra nourishment. Step 1. Blend fresh Moringa leaves or mix the powder with milk or curd to make a smooth paste. Step 2. Store the mixture in an airtight container with a perforated lid. Keep it at room temperature, it stays fresh for up to 10 days. Step 3. Apply the pack on your face, neck and hands. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse off for instantly refreshed skin. For best results, apply this pack daily or at least twice a week. Over time, you'll notice wrinkles disappearing and skin tightening, acne scars fading, skin looking brighter, fresher, and younger. This pack works wonders for dry, dull, or tired skin, bringing back hydration and glow. Who needs expensive creams when nature has the best solutions? Try this Moringa face pack and see the magic for yourself. Comment below if you'll give it a try, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets.
Subscribe now and join our community for daily tips and tricks to glow inside and out. Because you never know which tip will come in handy at any given time. So click on that bell icon to turn on notifications. See you in next video.